angle refers to the position in which the camera is held. There are many different ways and positions to place your camera for a shot. In this video, we're going to explore my top 4 angles, what they are, where to position the camera, and when to use these angles. So, you ready? Let's get started. First up, the straight on angle. This is the angle that most people use when they are starting out with photography. It is generally holding the camera up to eye level whilst you're in a standing position and shooting straight forwards. But if your subject is small, such as a flower, you might find yourself getting down to its level to shoot straight on. Next, the angle from below. This angle involves getting below your subject and shooting up towards it. Depending on your subject's size and location, you may need to lay down on the ground to achieve this. Shooting from below makes your subject appear much bigger, making it feel more important, stronger, and less vulnerable. Moving on to the angle from above. This angle involves getting slightly above your subject and shooting down towards it. To achieve this, you may need to find something to stand on, such as a rock, a chair, or a step, to give you that slightly higher vantage point. Shooting from above makes your subject appear smaller and more vulnerable. Finally, the bird's eye view. This angle involves getting completely above your subject so that you are shooting completely down on them. To achieve this, you may need a drone, a ladder, or a dedicated tripod. This angle flattens your subject, emphasizing lines, patterns, and shadows. So there we have it, my top 4 camera angles. Each angle has its own unique perspective and can be used to create different visual effects and share different emotions. I would love to see some photos that you have taken using these angles, so drop them in the comments below and let me know which is your favorite angle. Camera angles is only one of the techniques used to compose your images. If you want to learn more about composition, then make sure you check out my Principles of Composition course, where I go through my top 6 composition rules. The link is in the description for more information on that. Other than that, make sure you are subscribed to this channel to get more free tips and tricks on improving your photography. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.